3, 2, 1. Both teams immediately grabbing a ton of green cubes. Mechanical Thunder A grabbing some purples as well. Mechanical Thunder B with a ton of cubes into their collection system. Mechanical Thunder B lifts up to score some of those cubes. And they dispense a ton of cubes into that goal. Meanwhile, Mechanical Thunder A with a ton of purple cubes ready. As all of the red posts are knocked off, as we get to 25 seconds left, we must switch. Mechanical Thunder B getting ready to score some more of those cubes. With 15 seconds left, Mechanical Thunder B is ready to dispense some cubes into that last goal. Meanwhile, Mechanical Thunder A meets them there to dispense, and they dispense a purple into the green goal. With 5 seconds left, they go to the park.